Hi, Sarah from Williams Food Equipment here to tell you about the Zwilling Energy X3. This is a tri-ply stainless steel cookware set. This has 3 layers of construction throughout the entire collection. Let me show you some of my favorite features about this set, including glass lid for easy see-through. These pots all contain easy pour spouts. Included in the lids is various size strainers to make for easy pouring and straining right from the pot. The ergonomic handles are easy in the hand, featuring a 1, 2, and 3 quart saucepan, a 6 quart Stockpot, and the versatile 4 quart multi-everyday pan. This is a quality set made of tri-ply 1810 stainless that would be a great addition. Available now in-store and online at Williams Food Equipment. The new Le Creuset Olive Branch collection is available now in-store and online at williamsfoodequipment.com.